morning, Michael Walsh here. Welcome to Norwell Farms. As we build our sheep and goat farm from the ground up, one of the next stages we have to do is connect the underground water system. It's a superficial system similar to a lawn irrigation where you use it in the months where it's not frozen, and then you blow it out with air for the winter months because we won't need it then. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. That helps us out, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. That helps our channel more than you know. And hit the notification bell. That will advise you of any new videos as they come out. I have no set schedule, but as we determine tasks that need to be done, getting ready for the sheep and goats, I'll put some videos up. So we're going to tackle this job today. We're trenching in the superficial water line. This will go about 2 feet under the ground. We run the line out, and then there will be spigots periodically about every 150 feet. And then we run a hose from that to the water tank in the paddock for the sheep. That's where he is with the trencher there, and it comes all the way down here. And then it tees and goes over the post. And there will be a spigot that comes up, and it's wired to the post to secure it. And then it continues on down. Same thing, it'll be on a post down there. And then we go up across to where the dirt is up there, and there's another post there. That way we can use hose about 150, 200 feet, whatever, and we can reach areas out here, and we can actually reach areas along the plateau here, along the wetlands. So we'll be able to supply water wherever we need it. When we installed the fence, they buried that water line along the fence line, and it comes up about every 150 to 200. Here's our first one. You can see where it isn't from the shed. And that answers my question. They left these turned on. So it looks good. We'll have to let some pressure build up to see if it leaks, but got to go check all those. It goes all the way down to Miller's and then up to that far line, and then they also go all the way north. So there's a lot of line to check. So let's get to it. So we attach a hose to the spigot, and then the paddocks will be cordoned off with the portable electric fencing, and we can reach the different paddocks with hose. We have about 250 feet of hose, so that should reach anywhere we need to go. The spigots go on down this line, and then it cuts across, and we have one up there. So we should be able to reach it. South section checked out fine. Now we're going to go run the north section. It starts down there beyond that big wood pile. This is the first one on the north line, and you can see a lot more pressure because we got the whole south line, got all those shut off. You can see where the shed is here. We ran it down along the fence line, and then we go north, all the way up to the north field. This is the last one. And we came up over that hill, the 3-corner patch up there, down to here. And then crossing the creek, we'll just run a length of hose. You can see the little gate there between the trees right there. That's the north field. And we'll just use hose to put the water tank where we need it, and have an automatic float. And that's how we get water all the way up to the north field. So really pleased, everything checked out fine, no leaks. So we're good to put the does down on a pasture field down between Miller's and the other house. We'll probably do that day after tomorrow.